Alright guys, good morning. Day 15, road to funded. On a losing streak right now. Not been good. Not been a good week. Not been a good end of the last week, so let's bounce back. We're gonna definitely gonna be trading with our notes out today. I talked about this in the end of last video, but I want to get back to trading with my notes out, and I also want to get back to being picky with my entries. The first week I was in this, I was more picky, and I won some more trades and I did better. So I want to go back to being very selective with my entries. And always got this key level up here. Yeah, I want to be more selective, and I want to stick to my strategy more. And yeah, I feel like that's why I've fallen off a little bit this week. But a lot of trades that I can identify the mistakes this week, and we can learn from and keep pushing on. So, um, so I am looking over this past week, man. I mean, not so much on Nasdaq, but definitely on ES. Oh, what did I just do? A lot of consolidation. I mean, a lot of consolidation, kind of right in this box, just like that. Kind of broke out of it this morning. This makes me think this is a little manipulation, and then we're gonna come back down, taking out some of these lows. Um, don't really have us bullish today. Definitely bearish, taking out all this liquidity. Probably maybe down to this. Probably all the way down to this. Maybe down to this. And yeah. Let's see. There's a 1 hour kilo right there. Don't have that on Nasdaq. But yeah, we'll see if we can get an entry today. I'm definitely, honestly, I'm feeling like we're not going to take a trade today just because the week's been so bad and I don't want to force anything. So, unless we see a really good setup, then we're probably not going to take a trade today. Probably going to be pretty uneventful. But, yeah, I feel like I've been forcing trades recently and I want to stop doing that. So, we're going to try and fix that. So, yeah. Not looking like the market's giving us too much this morning. We swept this 4 hour key level. Came back down a little bit. Kind of broke structure a little bit here. Yeah, we came back up into this London session, and 1 hour key levels up here. I'd like to see us kind of, let's look at a strategy. So yeah, break a structure. We also have SMTs, right? One of these SMTs going down. With a fundamental confirmation. Yeah, so we're looking for a fair value gap, order block, breaker block, or equilibrium. So here is, for right now, this will probably change. Every time I draw these, they change, but here's order block. And here is breaker block. So we'll just draw them just in case, but yeah, I need a really, I'm not entering unless it's a really good setup today, so we'll see. Alright, so 5 minute, we created this value gap right here. The order block, breaker block, and then right at 10 o'clock, a bunch of buy orders got put in, shot the price all the way up to here. Now it's kind of correcting itself, but that is technically back into the order block and breaker block. So I'm kind of looking for a 1 minute, 1 minute confirmation. And I might enter low risk, but I don't know. This is just suspect to me. It's just like we didn't really work our way back in there. Not that it matters, but I guess we still swept some extra liquidity. Let's see, did we create an inverse for value gap? We kind of did. It's really small, but Yeah, we'll see. I have to fall in love with the entry for me to take a trade today, so. Alright, so I stayed patient and I didn't enter. So now I'm just going to look for a retrace. I think this would be a perfect setup if we do get a retrace. Back into this area right here, and then I'll go down to the 1 minute and we can try and target. We have a lot of levels to target downwards today, so. But I want to see a retrace. I don't want to enter without a retrace, because that's how I got stopped out yesterday, so. I think we can move the trade to just NASDAQ, because I don't think we're going to be taking a trade on ES, so. We'll just wait for this. If we retrace, we'll enter. If not, then not our week. Alright guys, I'm going to sit on this for a couple more minutes, but I don't think we're going to see a retrace. I think we just missed the entry. We might though, because our take profit levels are way the fuck down here, so we might see an entry later in the morning. If we do, I will hop in it, but yeah, might just be a no trading day, and that's fine. Not a great week. Hopefully bounce back next week, but I'm glad that I stuck to my strategy today, even if I did miss an entry. Yeah. Alright guys, we're done today. We're way past the macro and there's no retracement going on, so not a good trading week. Not looking to take a trade today, but hopefully we can bounce back next week and make up for our losses. So thanks for watching, guys.